Good morning, students. Today we are going to continue our lesson 5 in civics. Okay? Local government, Panchayati Raj. Now I have explained some part of this chapter. I told you the meaning of rural, village. Urban means city and rural means village. So we are going to learn about the local government at village level. Okay. So first we will take our book in the hand. Okay. We have completed some portion. Now we will do from page 228. Now the heading in the book you have Gram Sabha. Before that, little gist is that Panchayati Raj, we know that our country is run by different government which is divided so that we can easily rule. Okay. So we have central government, we have state government. Central government looks after the whole country. State government, a particular state. Then we have Panchayati Raj, which is your district level, that is okay, Jila, block and village. This is called three-tier system. Okay, village panchayat, block samiti and Jila Parishad. Okay, Jila Parishad is your district level, block level is your block samiti and village level is your panchayat. So now before we proceed to understand each of the level of Gram Sabha, the village panchayat or block samiti or the Jila Parishad, first let us understand one more term, that is Gram Sabha. Before we understand village panchayat or Jila Parishad or block samiti, first we have to know about what? Gram Sabha. Now Gram Sabha, Gram means village, okay, that we all know. Gram means village. Hindi में इसको गाँव बोलते हैं ना, this we call in Hindi गाँव. So Gram means village, Sabha means assembly. So Gram Sabha is your village assembly. Now what happens in village assembly? If you look at your paragraph, Gram Sabha means village or Sabha means meeting. So village meeting, okay, or village people gathered together. Now Gram Sabha is a meeting of all adults. Okay, in Gram Sabha, who all are there in the meeting? All adults. Adults means all those who are above the 18 years. This meeting is held when? This meeting is held in the village to decide about the village matters. Okay, as it is written, various issues of the village, maybe electricity, maybe water problem, education, health. It helps to people. Now why there is Gram Sabha? Gram Sabha is there so that all the people can participate and raise their voice, tell about their problems, tell what is needed in their village. Okay. So it is here that people can convey the needs of the society. See in your paragraph, there is a line here. Line number you have here 7 or 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 the line. It is here that the people can convey. Convey means वो बता सकते हैं the needs of the society, what is needed in their village. Okay, people can also speak on behalf of others. Maybe if somebody is not there, on behalf of them, उनके लिए भी जो लोग आए हैं वो लोग बोल सकते हैं. Okay. Now, which are the essential things of Gram Sabha? सबसे ज़रूरी चीज़ें क्या है Gram Sabha में? First point, look at your book in first point. Everyone above the age of 18 is eligible. That means जो भी 18 साल के हैं, they all are worthy to participate in the meeting which is held in the particular village. Second point, all people attending have equal rights to express their views on matters concerning the village. Now all are equal, whether you are poor, rich. If you are of a particular village, all have the equal right to speak and tell about their views, whether they agree or not, whether they are is it okay to build the road there or school or not. All have different views, so all have opportunity to speak or tell about their own views. वो क्या सोचते हैं, okay? Nobody will be objecting. It is the key factor in making the panchayat fulfill its role and function. So Gram Sabha is very important for the panchayat to know what is the gram or village in need of. क्योंकि gram people only or village people only will tell what they need, what is most important for them. Then only panchayat can work. So this is very key factor. Gram Sabha is very important. Why important? Because all the people are participating. It is the place where proposals of the works to be taken by the panchayat are conveyed to the people. So it is the place where people put their proposal. ये क्या होना चाहिए, क्या नहीं होना चाहिए of the works, क्या क्या काम हमारे विलेज में होना है. Okay? Gram Sabha keeps a check on the functioning of the panchayat, and Gram Sabha also sees that panchayat is doing the work properly or not, whether they are fulfilling the needs of the village or not, whether they are using the fund properly, money amount properly or not misusing it. Okay. Last point on page 229. Gram Sabha can remove the members of the panchayat. Now if this Gram Sabha people, all the others of the village, if they find that panchayat, okay, are not working properly in the favor of the village, they can ask them to be removed. Okay, Gram Sabha can remove the members of panchayat for any wrong committed by them. If the panchayat does anything wrong, then Gram Sabha members can be removed. Understood? So we have learned about Gram Sabha. I told you meaning village meeting. Who all are capable of attending this? All 18 years. Those who are 18 years of age. Okay? This. And I told you very important part. This very important thing in Gram Sabha. Gram Sabha is very important in panchayat because they tell what is needed in the village and all. They also look after that the panchayat is not misusing the amount. Okay? We move to the next point. Now we are having the secretary of the Gram Sabha. Now, it has a secretary. Okay? Now, who is not appointed by people of the village? The secretary of the Gram Panchayat is appointed by the government. Okay? The secretary is responsible to organize Gram Sabha meeting and also the Panchayat. So, this secretary who is appointed by government, it is not chosen by the people there. Government is choosing a secretary and he is responsible to arrange the meeting in the village, call a panchayat. Okay. The secretary is also secretary for the panchayat. So he has to call for the Gram Sabha meeting, he has to call for the panchayat meeting. The secretary is supposed to maintain all records. So he also has to maintain all record, what was discussed in the meeting, how much money is spent in the road or village, what is needed, all record of the meeting and everything. The secretary needs to note it down and keep a record. All the meetings, whatever is discussed, what is needed, how much amount is expense, what is needed, all that he has to maintain a record. Okay. Now we have the village panchayat. Now village panchayat in olden days, how it was. Now from centuries ago, many years ago, started a system of selecting own headmen. बहुत सालों पहले से ही for village a headman was chosen, like a mukhiya was chosen. Then they found, okay, for many years a mukhiya used to rule a village. Then people found that every decision could not be left on one person as his own wisdom and decision could should not be can be biased and may be favor of one. So then people found if we choose only one person to rule over a village and look after a village, his decisions may vary, he may go in favor of only one person. Okay, so it's not okay to choose only one person as the head of the village. So they adopted a system of selecting 5 people. So now the people, what they did, they started choosing 5 people. Sarpanch, okay, as the head of the group. Now this was called Panchayat. So before they used to have only one Mukhiya. Okay. Then they found that his decision may vary, he may be in favor of one or may not work in favor of village or may be supporting only one party or one person. So they started selecting who? One, not one, 5 people to look after or to take decisions of the village. So that is called village Panchayat. Okay. Now Panchayat took decisions on all community matters regarding development and justice. So all community matters may be road, hospital, whatever is needed, any small argument of the land between 2 brothers, that is justice, na? Kiski zameen hai, unke jhagde suljhana, what is development needed in the village, maybe you need to make a road, you need to make a hospital, a small chikitsalaya, all that, okay. They used to decide what was required and what was fair. So these 5 people used to decide what is required in their village and what is more important. Now they were 5 people, so that if there was a difference in opinion among them, then majority of 3 is necessary to finalize the decision. So now there were 5, now maybe their decisions may vary. So always on, now 5 are there, okay, Panchayat. How many people are there? 5. So their decisions may vary. So if 3 is major, so if 3 decide that this should be okay and 2 are of another opinion, then what 3 have decided, that will be followed. Majority was listened. So 5 are there, 2 may have different opinion, 3 may have different opinion. What 3 are agreeing, that was practiced in the village. Okay, that was in olden days. Now we have modern panchayati system. Okay, look at your book at page 229. Modern panchayati system. In modern times, the government of India decided that it is local people who are the best judges for local issues. So now in Panchayat, government decided the local people, those who live in the village, are the best people to choose and decide what is needed in their village. So they formalized the system of Panchayats and proper elections are held to elect the Panchayat. So this was continued, that people will be the part of the Panchayat. So Panchayati elections are held after 5 years, okay, in every what we say state or district. Since the population has increased, now in olden days population was less, so village also had less number of people, so 5 people were enough to rule or to decide the matters of a village. But now the population has increased, so number of people or panchayat members are more now, not 5, 7 to 17, depending upon the size and the population of the village. So there could be people heading it, that means panchas. Now it is not panchas, panchas means 5, na? So it can be more depending upon the size of the village and population of the village. So it can be 7 if the village is small, or if it is big then 17 members also can be the mukhiyas or the people who will take decisions depending on the number of people in the one panchayat. Okay. Now state election commissions conducts elections for the panchayat. Now state election commission in particular, maybe in UP will have different time, Bihar will have different times, all others will have different time. So state election commission is responsible for conducting the election in a panchayat, for a panchayat. The panchayats are elected for only 5 years. Okay, after 5 years, whom we have chosen as panchayats of our village, they will be changed. But if during the second time election after 5 years, if they win, again they continue. But they are chosen for 5 years. The person above the age of 21 is eligible. If we are 21-year-old, we can stand and contest the election of panchayat. Okay. One person can be elected from one ward. So एक ward से, एक ward में कितने लोग होते हैं? 500. So a village may have only one ward and a village may have more ward. Okay, like in my village there are 12 ward because my village is very big. Okay, so why a ward has only 500 people? Okay, so one person can be elected from अलग-अलग ward से अलग-अलग लोग खड़े होते हैं. So one person can be elected from one ward which has 500 adult voters. Understood? So ward has 500 adult voters. So your village can be only one ward, or your village may have many wards also. The Gram Sabha also elects the Sarpanch. So Gram Sabha members, I told you, all 18 years of above person, they are eligible for choosing or electing the Sarpanch. Sarpanch means Gram Pradhan, Mukhiya. If any member of the panchayat needs to be replaced, fresh elections are held. If we find a member before the tenure of 5 years is not working in favor of village, he can be replaced by having fresh elections. Okay, so this was about the modern Panchayati Raj. Modern Panchayati Raj, I told you, is where the panchayat elections are held by the state government. Members are 7 to 17 depending upon the size and population of the village. Okay, and a ward in a village has 500 adult voters. From one ward, one person is elected. Many may contest, but one will be elected. So your village may be a ward only because it is small, having 500 adults, and your village may have many wards also. Okay, this was your what about the modern panchayati system. This is for today, children. We will continue about the functions of panchayat in the next class. But before that, you also have to read these 2-3 headings which I have told you about. Gram Sabha, Panchayat Secretary, I have told you about Panchayat, which was olden days, and modern Panchayat. These 4 headings are there, just 4 headings. You have to read these 4 headings once again by yourself in the book. Okay, and if you have any problem, when we meet in the live class, you can ask me. Thank you and have a good day.